Hi everyone, welcome to Holtop Virtual Showroom. This is Victoria. Wanna save your electricity bill and still feel fresh in summer? Don't click away, we can solve your problem. Let's see this elegant big guy. The Holtop High Efficiency Comfort Fresh Air Series HRV includes 3 models, which is very popular in residential market. The application also includes office, schoolroom, gyms, etc. The body material we use is separate sheet metal. Compared with plastic, it looks better and has longer service life. The internal structure is made of EPP material, which has perfect insulation and good air tightness. This vertical HRV is built with our newly developed high-efficiency counterflow heat exchanger. The heat recovery efficiency is up to 95%. It's built with 2 easy fans. Each unit was built in 3/4 primary filter for supply air, return air, and bypass channel. If customer prefer a higher cleanness, there is an optional F7-degree filter available as well. Inside of these filters, the second generation CFA series are upgrade Wi-Fi function. User can control the HRV with their phone easily to create a smart home. If you would like more details for the Comfort Fresh Air series, please surf our website www.holtop.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next time!